So hello guys, today I'm going to introduce you how to use the diverse functions of the ChemDraw software. So first, let's insert a structure. Click structure and click convert name to structure, which also you can make it by pressing Shift Control N. Click this, insert structure whose name is. And here I'll put So terephthalic acid is a common name, and there's a different name in which it's the IUPAC nomenclature. So Shift Control N. Insert your structure name is. So the IUPAC nomenclature, the real name for this molecule is 1.4 benzene dicarboxylic. See that these two structures are the same. In organic chemistry, you call this material terephthalic acid, whereas in coordination or inorganic chemistry, you call this 1.4 benzene dicarboxylic acid. So now let's try to modify the width of the bonds or the text. So if you click and right click it, you can see the object setting. Here the line width is set to 0.035, but let's change it to make it double. But you can see that the O's and OH's aren't modified, so now you'll go into text and you'll click size. Let's make it like 16. Yeah, you can see this has become modified. If you want to change the size of the terephthalic acid, that thing, you can also change the size to 16. Okay. So you can either import this structure directly to PPT by doing Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V as a PNG image, or either insert it into the conquest in order to find the material you desire. In most of the times it's quite hard and time-taking to draw all the structure, the complicated structure, directly in Conquest. In that case, you can draw it simply by typing the name, and then converting name to structure and inserting the structure itself into Conquest. So let's modify this structure one more time. If I click Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, there's another form, and let's see. Click Eraser, and let's delete these bonds. Delete it too, and this time let's draw our desired material. Sorry. Erase this. Yeah. And click this. Another bond. Actually, make two bonds. And make this a double bond. And if you click the text tool, A, and click right on the location where the bond ends, you can type your desired atom that will go on that location. In this case, I'll type O here and OH here to make it symmetrical with the other end. So this is ended, but you can see that the structure isn't quite ready yet. The bond angle on the left and the bond angle on the right is different. In that case, you can click Structure and click Clean Up Structure. The short command key for it is Shift Control K. Click this, it will be automatically modified. And if you click here, Convert Structure to Name, which is Alt Control N command keys, you can see that this is labeled as this. So if you want to change the width of the bonds, the thickness of the bonds to make them make them as one. You can change, where is it? Object settings and line width. I remember it was 0.07. Like this. And even the text size 16. Yep. So you can see we can make any type of atoms or molecules and simply modify it with this ChemDraw software. As I said earlier, you could also import the structure into the CCDC Conquest and find the structure that has this molecule inside it as you desire. So in order to do that, you select your desired molecule, click Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So you can see that the molecule is drawn here, and when you click search, and do start search, you can see that there are a lot of substances that has this type of structure inside it. So how to the way to use Conquest, the Conquest manual, we'll upload it in another video. So in this video, we'll concentrate on how to use ChemDraw, not Conquest. There's also another tool that we use often. So where is it? In structure, we can predict the HNMR shift of our desired material. So in this case, for terephthalic acid, you can locate the chemical shifts. If you can see the green square also appears in this location. The chemical shifts of these locations appear here. Yeah. So sometimes you use this tool to compare your synthesized materials HNMR spectra with the calculated one. Us teachers, we also sometimes make tests based on this data. So yeah, this is really efficient to use. So I'll introduce another function, which is show analysis window on the view bar. If you click this, you can see the formula, the exact mass, and the mass in which each element consists of. So this is super good, so you can use it often. Another function is the template bar in the view function. Let's click aromatics, for example. We can see a lot of structures even inside the aromatic classification. So this is porphyrin. Let's draw this. You can easily imagine how hard it is trying to draw all these one by one. There are also templates for the drawing function in CCDC, but using the templates here, there are much more diverse kinds of templates here, so you could easily draw and design your desired structure using ChemDraw and then export it to CCDC. There are other functions, Helm monomer toolbar, these sort of stuffs, but you can use them when you're ready, when you've studied enough. Using another function, which is the periodic table window, you can see the colors are assigned to each elements in the periodic table. The default setting is the black color for carbon, but you can change your desired color, make it black or something like that, if you want. So this is the end of the tutorial, and I hope you try and mess with all of the functions if possible, and make it yourself.